Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I am doing a homeschool makeover. This is for my best friend who lives back home in Chicago. She has a son who's 6 and she also homeschools her niece who's right around the same age. We're going to be using all IKEA products and some Dollar Tree bins. Very economical, super cheap, right on budget. We're going to be using some of these rugs that we picked up from Walmart. We have 2 of those rugs. You'll see here that they have a homeschool, like a makeshift homeschool situation in the back corner of their basement. But we want to give them their basement back so that they can have some adult space where they can put like a family dining table or something like that for entertainment. So we're going to clear all of this out, move it to another location in their basement, which is right at the bottom of their stairs. They have this cool little nook there. So yeah, guys, we went to IKEA, Dollar Tree, and Walmart. That's it. Let's get going. And as you see here, I'm clearing out the space. And as I'm moving it out, I'm putting things in groupings. So as we continue to organize, everything is just kind of together and makes it easier for sorting. Now I'm just going ahead and measuring those walls. I'm using a stud finder. What was interesting about this wall is because it's not like, just a full-size wall in your house, the studs aren't in their normal location. So I really had to find those studs to make sure the brackets that we were going to use for the IKEA shelving would work. I've got my little helper Carter here with me now. This space is all for him. This is my godson. My best friend and I have been best friends since we were 7 years old, and this is their first child. And of course, he's my baby as well. So this area is specifically for Carter, and he just wanted to be hands-on. You see his dominoes there lined up on the shelf, and he's also being a cameraman for a second. But yeah, this is all for him, and I had such a good time teaching him about power tools and drills and all that good stuff. So my best friend came down. She just couldn't resist herself. She had to come and get a sneak peek of the shelves, and she brought baby Avery down. She just had a new baby, and that's baby Avery. So now they have a boy and a girl, and they're sweet, sweet Mellow. That's their dog. He's been in our life forever, like so long. We don't even know how old Mellow is anymore. But I'm just going ahead and installing these shelves. All of the shelving units and brackets I got from IKEA. So if you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm installing drywall anchors. Remember I told you that the studs in this wall were really wonky because this is a stairwell. So it's not your standard 12 inches or 16 inches apart. So some of the brackets are installed into studs. The others had to be installed into the drywall. So if you have to mount anything in drywall, please, please, please look into drywall anchors, because if not, your shelving units will fall out of the wall. So as you saw, Carter was back to show me another domino setup. So once he was done with that, I showed Mom that she still had clearance to get in that little door to the right. They do have some items stored under that crawl space, so I just wanted her to know that they can still get in and out if need be. We're going to go ahead and put down this rug. It's from Walmart. It was $19.98 and it is 5x7. We went ahead and went with the brown because it complements the rest of the basement, as well as it hides any flaws if the kids have any art supplies or paint items and things like that that they may drop on the carpet. So we've got our IKEA Linnmon table and our Olov legs. Everything that you need for the legs comes in the package. There's a little disc there, and there's like a little raised side, and there's a side with the indentation. The raised side is gonna be like towards you. So when you put the table legs on, you're gonna screw the legs into that raised side. So make sure when you put in that little plate on that you're not putting the raised side down into the table. It'll be weird anyway if you try to screw it in that way because it won't quite fit. But these legs are adjustable. They do have cheaper legs. I think they're called Adles or Adles, ADILS, which are $4 a piece. These were $15 a piece, and we got them because they do entertain for the holidays, and they can adjust these legs and make this table taller if they need it for entertaining. And here are the chairs that she purchased. I think they were pronounced Adde or Adde. And my helper's back. So guys, if you think that you cannot put together IKEA furniture, let me tell you, you'll see in this video, Carter really did help me put this chair together. I was really shocked, and he's 6. So trust me, you can do it. So there are little screw covers that snap on the bottom of the chair, I guess, just so kids don't get their fingers pinched. So I was putting those little snaps on the bottom, and that's it. That's all it is to it. And of course, Carter's trying to ninja warrior me or something. I don't know.
Different sizes. Hey, there's a YouTube channel.
So now we're putting everything away. I'm going through all of the homeschooling items that she already had, and I'm just sorting them and putting them in bins. Once I'm done sorting everything, I do have a labeler, and I'm going to go ahead and label everything. This is also a great way to teach kids words, because they'll have to put things back into the bin, and you can call out the name of the bin, have them search for it to put the item back. And we did that a couple of times with Carter to test it, and it was great. It was a lot of fun. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Carter's homeschool station. He's also going to share this space with his cousin Journey. And yeah, they love it. Carter just fell in love right away. He picked his side. His side is where the laptop is. He wants to be able to see all angles. But yeah, he absolutely loves it. So we put the letters on the wall, which was from the other part of the basement. We went ahead and moved that over, and we got everything sorted out, everything labeled. He put his name on his little chalkboard, and we're just waiting for his cousin Journey to come by to put her name on her chalkboard. So I hope you love it. I hope it inspires you. And yeah, it's a tough time we're living in 2020, and everyone's doing their best, to manage and to keep raising kids and to teach them everything that they need to know. So I hope this inspires you. All items are from IKEA, Dollar Tree, and Walmart. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.
I hope you like my homeschool. Thanks for watching.